In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google and ClickUp together to streamline your task management. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure you make the most of these powerful tools. Let's dive right in. First, we start with a simple search on Google, which is a reliable first step for finding almost anything online. You simply need to open your preferred web browser, head over to the Google homepage, and type ClickUp into the search bar. Doing this will bring up a list of results related to ClickUp, a popular project management tool that can help you organize your tasks efficiently. Take a moment to glance through the results, and once you spot the official ClickUp website, go ahead and click on it. Clicking on the ClickUp result in the search list will direct you to the ClickUp homepage, where you'll quickly notice a user-friendly interface designed to help you manage your tasks with ease. Once on the homepage, you might see options to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. If not, you might want to take this opportunity to create an account and explore the features ClickUp offers. For this guide, we're assuming you already have access to a ClickUp account. Next, you should locate the project you want to work on. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard where various project options are displayed. Here, you'll want to find the View option, which allows you to see the layout in ClickUp's different view modes. Clicking this will give you an overarching perspective of your project workspaces. After selecting View, you might want to visualize your project, and for that, we'll utilize the Mind Map feature. Clicking on Mind Map opens a visual interface where you can map out tasks, ideas, and workflows, giving you a clearer picture of your project's scope and structure. This is particularly useful for brainstorming and organizing your thoughts into actionable items. Now that you've got a visual layout, it's time to manage your tasks. Click on the Tasks section within ClickUp. This is the hub, where you'll see a comprehensive list of all your tasks. Whether you have daily to-dos, ongoing projects, or future ideas, the Task section is where it all comes together. Finally, you're ready to add or manage your tasks. Within the Tasks view, you can create new tasks by clicking on the Add Task option. This is where you can detail the tasks, set deadlines, assign them to your team or yourself, and track the progress as you go along. Congratulations! You've now successfully set up your workspace in ClickUp, using Google as your starting point. By following these steps, you're all set to optimize your productivity and manage tasks efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating Google and ClickUp to improve your workflow.